Hi, welcome to this is about makeup tutorial. Let's start. This makeup tutorial is about me. Makeup tutorial with Agnes and Cop. And we will make eyeshadow makeup. This is very dark and this one is very dark. Yeah, it's so rough, but the others not. And this is my lipstick, vitamins. With vitamins, I get it here. And this is sorry, lost. And yeah, and I have a toothpick, but I don't know what it is. And whatever. And this my lipstick. This my vitamin lipstick and cotton candy lipstick. And this my light eyeshadow with the two dots in the like inside. And this is my powder in my face so I can get wet. Actually, it's so good. Here I crack it. I using it now. Here I'm pushing a little bit like that, so I'm putting it. So let's start. Here I will getting. Let me see to you how I make it. Here is blush on. Here is lipstick vitamins, and this cotton candy lipstick is pasty with color. This is my spoon. Yeah, my powder, not paint. And this is my light eyeshadow with my. And now I have this brush, so I can get it here, but it's wet. I have to toothpick so if it's dirty or not. Yeah. And now let's start it. And now I'm back. First we will do the earth first. That I get. So my face Yeah, it's okay. Mm. Bakit mo nawawala? Niloko ko na sa gulman. Meron. Saka na daw, baka umulan. Okay, mo naman. And now we go now to the eyeshadow. I read the light first, but this red is dark. Oh, do you know what is it?
Pag wala sa mo to ha, mababasa ka.
And now I'm using the
Hoy! Nami yung pagkain mo, mamaya na yan.
and I will use first. Red one. So now so I'm going this one. I'm gonna check here. And now it's good to sleep. I make it in clown. And now we will now go to the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this one. corners. I like this orange. And now use this brush. I will use this one. It's like, but I love it. Cause the side is up. Yeah, and up I have a design. And another one. So you will make up. I love it. And now let's proceed in the this lipstick. First after we go there, we must be 6. There, I will hold it. And now I will get this lipstick with white for you. Thank you for watching. time with my tutorial. I would get my sister, Elijah. Yep. And now, thank you for watching of it. I hope you like it. And this I get it. This powder and this like oat lotion with the brush. And this lipstick with the vitamin A. And this lipstick with cotton candy lipstick. And this my eyeshadow. I love this eyeshadow because it's so really nice. And now I hope you like it. You like it. Thank you for watching. Bye. If you want to take your lips on like this, get one piece of paper, get it, and put it. I love you guys. And if you want to use one, thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.